Hello everyone, I'm going to be redoing my video that I removed previously for the short version of how to add the formatting styles ML7th, APA6th, IEEE, and Harvard online into your Microsoft Word program. I have the full-length video to do it the hard way basically, so I'm just going to make a shortened video, because the shortened version doesn't require you to actually do all the extraction and the lengthy download from Microsoft.com. So what you will need is any kind of program that will open up a zip file for one, and then also you will need this zip file, which I'm going to include in the description. This is actually my own public folder, which I put all the required 5 files into one zip file. And the download from Microsoft typically comes from a folder 1033, which is where you're going to be putting the bib form itself. And originally the bib form was named bibform underscore 1033 period XML. You're going to be replacing your old bib form with this one. I've already removed the underscore and the 1033. So if you want to keep your old one, you have to navigate to the correct folder in order to do that. So basically I'm going to show you what that would be right now. In my case, I'm running a 64-bit Windows with the 32-bit Office. So it would be in Program Files x86. If you have 32-bit Windows and 32-bit Office, that x86 won't be there. Everything's under Program Files. But I will navigate there. Microsoft Office, Office 14, and 1033 as I said it was. And then we're going to click on Bibliography. And as you'll see a bibform.xml. If you want to keep your old one, you should rename that to bibform period old period XML, or whatever you want to add in there between bibform and XML. You'll probably have to have administrator rights in order to do that. So one of the main things I want to actually address first is, in my case, I'm using 7-zip in order to extract everything. So in order to avoid having any issues actually extracting, always run this as administrator. Whatever it is, if you're using WinZip, JZip, 7-zip, there's a whole bunch of different files out there. Now the one I want is the Office file zip, because if you take this and paste it directly into a browser, as you can see, it'll give me the option to open it or save it. You'll want to save it so that way you can run it as an administrator, as my 7-zip currently is running. Now what we're going to do is you're going to click on all the XSL files. Those are all your updated formats basically, and you're going to click extract. Now for the XSL files, we're going to go computer, look at this, see, and as I said, mine is a 64-bit system with a 32-bit Office, so I have to go Program Files x86, Microsoft Office, Office 14, which is where you will have your WinWord and everything else like that. And then we're going to click on Bibliography. And last selection, Style. Click OK. And then OK again. Now as you can see, I've already done this, so I will click Yes to all. And then we're going to go bibform.xml and click Extract. And if you remember, I said this one would be in the 1033 folder. So we're going to go that way again. Computer, Program Files x86, Microsoft Office, Office 14, and the 1033 folder. And click on Bibliography, and then OK. Click OK again. Once again, yes to all. In my case, see, if you don't mind replacing the old one, you don't have to rename it. You'll just automatically replace it. Once you've done that, you can close that out. And that isn't relevant anymore. So we're going to open up Microsoft Office Word 2010. If you have 2013, you don't have to do this because 2013 actually has it by default. And we will go to the References tab, Style. As you can see, now we have APA 5th, APA6th, Harvard, IEEE, and ML7th. So, as I said, this will be included in the description. It includes the 5 files you will need